Keep them steady, easy now.
Stop. What?
Watch the gap on the right. We have another one coming down, clear the ramp.
Checking the ribs now. Minor abrasions on the right side, likely from transport. Overall condition stable.
Moving to section 4. No anomalies here.
All right, logging the vitals now. Everything is stable.
Gate is open, let's move them through. Okay, easy now, keep them steady.
Keep them moving. Steady, steady. Let's go. Eyes clear, skin condition looks good. Next, check the hooves for any issues.
Overall health status seems excellent.
Agreed, they're all healthy. 753. Verified. Data logged.
Condition looks good. No sign of infection here. Healthy animal, approved. Keep moving, fella. Easy now. Straight ahead, bud. You're doing great. Just a little further.
The hides from storage are ready for the drums.
All right, initiating the first cycle sequence. Keep an eye on the temperature.
Keep the pace up, we're almost through this batch.
All right, passing the tray.
Vacuum seal appears complete. No leaks detected. Date code Zulu 9. Verified.
That's good, set it down right there.
Inventory checked, seals look good.
Watch your back, coming through.
Okay, stop right there. We are ready for the shipment.
Look at this one. The expiration date is clear.
Okay, grab that one then. We need enough for dinner.
Wow, these meatballs are incredible, Dad, aren't they?
Best batch yet.
I'm so glad everyone is enjoying the meal.
That is so tender. It really is delicious.
Move it slightly to the left.
Okay, got it. Is that better?
Yes, the jets are hitting the center now. We need to make sure this side is completely covered.
Yes, I'll spread this out now.
Watch the spacing on that one. Almost clear of the door, push it through.
Length checks out. Width is exact. Curves are within tolerance. Approved for assembly.
We have finished sorting the straps. They are ready for the edge painting machine.
Good. Let's move them over now to start the next batch.
Approved.
Easy now, watch the clearance.
Looks good. Let's get these straps on before the next one arrives. Inventory confirms all white leather bags are accounted for.
And
Okay, the manifest shows 40 boxes total.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
All
like-
accounted for right here.
And the monogram leather bags are confirmed in these 5.
This is exquisite.
The leather work is flawless. I'll definitely take this one.
Excellent choice.
In 200 feet, turn right. Then your destination is on the left.
Morning. I have your Amazon delivery. Can I get a quick confirmation here?
Oh, wonderful. Yes, of course. Thank you so much.